Welcome everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to activate or deactivate the assistance headers in FC26, so stay with me and watch the full video. Enjoy! At first we have to open the gear icon from the main page and then move to the settings. Now choose the game settings and make sure that you are in the gameplay settings. After that, on the shooting tab we have the assisted headers. You can switch it off or on, depends on your preferences, but if you are an experienced player then you will switch it off because the headed shots are manual and can potentially be more accurate, and believe me, you can turn it off and it will be better for you after hours of playing this game and learning how to actually shoot. Thank you for watching, that would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!